This is a 2009 Infiniti M35, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include keyless ignition, a sunroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a heated passenger seat, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.